I thought maybe you would like to have a OLP course on Character Animator. It's one of the free apps that you have provided to those who use the Adobe account, and it could be useful in, say, a person who doesn't want to actually have their face showing in a tutorial, but they could use the character animator to animate the narration of some kind of a program that you're producing. Mostly pretty entertaining, I would think, but like the camera will follow my head, so I can move my head back and forth, and it will open your mouth according to the audio that it hears as well. I can add different backgrounds. I can add it to a tutorial video about some kind of software, and just could be an entertaining way of presenting some information in the legal environment. So in any case, I thought you'd like to know about it if you didn't, and if you did, maybe you already have made use of it. In any case, we'll talk to you later.